Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to the second episode of the series How to Make an iOS Budgeting App. Hopefully, you've had a nice time watching the first episode. So today, let's go on with creating a brand new budgeting app, which you'll later on be able to publish on the App Store and even make money with it. Okay, now you may open the project where we left last time. Okay, and let's continue with what we were doing last time. Okay, I'm just going to remove everything. Okay, and you may click this button to make the sidebar disappear. Okay, just so we can see and hear what's happening. Okay, so building a budgeting app, it's not that hard, so you'll be able to do it even with zero programming experience. Okay, so let's see what do we need. So first we need somehow a way to input our I don't know, the sum of money we would like to use for budgeting. So let's first give it a title. Okay, let's say this is what would this be? Let's just try to use another device, smaller one. 7, iPhone 7. That's too small. Actually, this is an input field. However, we do need a label. Okay, label. Where's my label? Can you see it? Just click and drag it. We need a label. Okay, an input field. Okay, and I think we also need a button. Okay, let's take a button. And I just call this button I don't know, enter or set, maybe set. Let's just call it income. Okay, we have an income, and we need to set it. And also let's say if we do something wrong, we would like to undo it. Let's just make another button. Okay, you just hold down the I think it's the Alt key. Okay, to be able to duplicate the button or an element. It could be anything. Just name it undo. Okay, just for now, just place it somehow. I'm going to quit some of my apps because I see my computer running a bit slow. Okay. What else? Let's also quit Chrome for now. Let's leave it for now. I can also quit my Word document. Looks like it crashed. I don't care about reporting. Okay, now what else do we need? Now let's think of a few classes or a few elements or items in which we want to part our income. I'm just going to hold the Alt key and click and drag it to just to duplicate it. Let's call this groceries or food. Let's call it food. Okay. Then let's say we need clothes. Okay. Let's say we need money for utilities. Okay. What else? What else do we have? Let's say we have entertainment. And let's say we have investing. We want to invest some of our money. Investment. Okay? Let's say these are all our columns. Now we somehow need to know how much money we have. So let's somehow copy and paste this. This is the cell which is going to say how much money do we have. Okay, let's call this font to make sure it's shorter. Okay. Alright. Now we also need somehow to subtract sum of money. Okay, you just make this shorter. First, let's make all columns equal. Okay, I'm just going to click the smaller one, click and drag to the next one, and just click equal width. Equal width. Equal width. Equal width. Equal width. I'm just going to click the update button Looks like nothing is happening. It says round text field. Oh, the problem is this one don't have any constraints so far. Okay. Don't worry about this so far. Okay, what else do we need? We need a way to subtract something, okay? Let's make a plus. Sorry, a minus. Okay, let's say we spend some of the food money, and I want to say to type in here an amount and just click the minus button and have the amount subtract itself from the total, which I'm going to introduce right now. Just click and drag to make the total. Okay, and I also need a new field for total. Okay. Now, we want to somehow arrange these okay. So how can you do this? You can add them in a stack view. That's how it's called. But first, let's add this one in a stack view. Okay. So I'm going to click the icon again. Just type stack. And I want a horizontal stack view. I'm just going to click and drag it. Okay. Put it somewhere in here. And I'm going to move it upward where food is. Okay. And I want to add food. Okay, add food into it. I want this column to add it to food. I want this minus. Okay, just click and drag it. Easy. Easy peasy. This is something quite easy to do. Just select the next one. Okay, and just click to the minus. Sorry guys, my laptop it's working so slow because I'm also burning a video in here. iMovie, it's uploading. So okay, now we have this tag view. Now let's make a stack view for these ones. But first, let's say this is a horizontal stack view. Okay, and let's just try to where it is, move it in here. Can I move it? I don't know why. Anyway, don't worry about it for now, because we'll have to build a stack view for each and every thing in here. Okay, let's try to select the next two items. I don't want, yeah, I think I want that one. Just control and click it. Okay, right click, no, not right click. I just want to add it in a stack view. Okay, I think this is stack view somewhere. It was a stack view button. Okay, just click this little icon with the downwards pointing, and just click stack view. Okay, and it is going to add my stack view in there. Okay, as well. Now let's click utilities, and don't worry about the fact that it's messed up for now. Just ignore it for now. Okay, I'm going to select the utilities and the next box. Okay, holding control in the same time. Okay, now click the I don't know how to call this button, and select stack view again. Okay, now that is going to put my thing in a stack view again. Now select font and the corresponding cell, and click stack view again, which is going to create for me another stack view. Click investments and do the same for the left elements. Okay, now we have total and corresponding checkbox. Guys, we've done so much so far, we haven't even wrote a code of line. So you don't have to worry about a thing. Okay, now select these guys. Okay, and put them in a stack view. You guessed it. You guessed that right. Now, what does this stack view do? I'm going to make a demonstration. Now I'm going to add the constraints. Okay, just click it, click an element, drag to the left side, right side. Okay, just to make a quick demonstration what this thing can do. I'm going to add a top constraint. Okay, and also a bottom constraint. I think bottom constraint is not necessary so far. Now if I'm selecting this one, you can see it has some constraints. I'm just going to click on it and click 0. Okay, and if you can see what happened, so my row, if I can call this row, expanded, fully expanded. Okay, wow, and it's super aligned. I'm just going to delete these constraints because I'm going to do something else, but I just wanted to make you a quick demonstration. Okay, now what I want you to do is select all stack views, everything we have in here, and add everything in a stack view this time. Okay, well, and now this is going to be a vertical stack view. Okay, spacing, let's add it spacing of 20 or whatever. Just you feel. And what we would like to do right now is just select the stack view, and I'm going to show you another way how you could add constraints. Now we want to align everything. Okay, just right click and drag it to save area, actually to view, and it says top space to save area. Okay, do it again, you can drag to view. Leading space, that's for the left side. We want to align everything. Just click and drag it to the view, bottom space. Okay. Now you may see that our stack view is not really aligned as we wanted it to be. Just go and modify this. I was giving it a -100 on the top. Okay, let's give it 50 because I want it to, no, too much, 10. What is the safe area? The safe area is where the battery, where the iPhone's X notch is. Okay, let's give it a, I don't know, 15 side space, 15 left space, and I don't know, 100 from the bottom. Whoa, 100 is so much. 50. Okay. Now let's open the vertical. Now what I did was to go to the vertical stack view and go to alignment and just click to fill, distribute, fill equally. Okay, now what you can see is everything is lined and filled. Okay, well, this is kind of amazing, isn't it? Okay, now let's go to this box and give it a lower width of let's say I think this is the button, like a rule where you give it a height and weight. I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, it looks like this is the button I want to. Let's give it a 50 width. Okay, looks like this is what I'm looking for. I want to go to the stack view. Okay, and just give it a distribution of fill proportionally. Okay, and I would like to go again and modify the width. Let's give it a width of 100. Just click add constraints. This is the constraint button, I think. What happened? The problem is this already has a few constraints in place. Which one is it? Something happened. You know what? Okay, so I'm going to delete all these constraints. Just select the element and it has constraints under it. Just click the constraint and delete it. I like the height, but I don't like the width. Click this button again, the constraints button, and give it a width of 100. Add constraint. Okay. Now just click that one little box and drag it to the next one and say to it equal width. Okay, and as you can see, it is going to make it equal. However, it looks like my first one is too wide, so I think some button is missing right now. I'm just going to click the constraint, go to fifth icon, the lower one, and give it a constant of, I don't know, 80. Okay, now you can see my plus button is showing again. Let's try to make it stand out a bit more. Give it a plus icon. Let's give it a background color. Background. How do I give it background? Okay, I think this is one. Custom. Okay. I'm just going to give it a blue. I just select it from the left. And in this case, let's go to give it a white text color. Okay. Give it a white text color. And do the same for each and every element. Okay. I wanted to make the text white and the background blue. Okay. Now this one works. Well, let's just try to give it some constraint. Okay. Let's make it like 50-50. Is that 50-50? It doesn't look 50-50 to me. Maybe it is. Anyway. Now let's click the first cell and drag it to the next cell and give it a equal width. Okay. Now as you can see, everything shrinks down to the specified width, which is something. It's like playing a game, not actually programming, right? Look at this. Wow. Can you believe it? No. Let's give this a equal width, but it won't work because it's too much. The thing is, we need let's just try to take clothes. I would like to delete somehow this constraint. I'm just clicking it and then pressing the delete button. Okay, that's one. Okay. This is too long. I'm just going to rename it to invest for now. And let's just take clothes. No. I think I'll get income. And make everything equal with income's width. Don't worry about the red thing. No, I messed up. Just do it. Wow. do it for each and every one. Equal width. Equal width. Now you're going to see some red lines. Just select each stack view. Make sure it's set to fill, I think, proportionally. Okay. As you can see, things are starting to change in here. As we are changing the distribution of the stack views actually. Now I think we might have some mistakes. Just going to delete it. I don't want to hide do anything for now. Okay. Now, I don't know what happened to our stack view. Why isn't it still aligned to bottom? Oh, it is now. Well, as you can see, almost every, except this one. This one doesn't have a constraint already. Let's give it one. Just select food. Which one was it again? Just select food and drag it to invest and give it equal width. Now, as you can see, each and every label is equal. Okay. Now let's do the same for these boxes. Oh, nice one. I don't want equal heights. I want equal width, not height. I'm just going to delete this so far. this. If I may. What happens to this one? Okay. Now let's make food second in our stack order. Make income the first one. Okay? This one looks like 50. Okay. Let's just delete the constraint for now. Let's put a constraint again. The height constraint bottom. Guys, if you don't get the constraints right, you're going to get some errors. I'm going to give it a 20. Okay? So what I want to give this a width of 25. Let's get it 25. Okay. Make this equal width. Okay. What else? Let's make it, give it a width of 80 for now. Then make this one equal with I don't like it's trying to fill everything. Let's see if we can modify it somehow. Say center. I think I want the distribution to be fill. Center. No. Fill equal is going to make all my things equal. Well, let's give our stack view some spacing, like 20. Okay. It looks a bit more better. Don't you agree? But I don't like the width of this one. But we are going to fix this in the next episode. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye bye.